Before I begin welding, I want to make sure that I've completely covered my body to protect my skin from heat, sparks, and the ultraviolet rays created from an electric arc welding process. I'm wearing a flame-resistant jacket, a welding cap, a fully surrounded welding hood with a shade 10 lens, safety glasses, OSHA-approved Z87.1 lenses with side shields that wrap around my eyes, jeans that completely cover my legs, and leather shoes. My jeans are wrapped over the top of my shoes so that there's nowhere for sparks to fall. My welding jacket is buttoned all the way to the top. There's no pockets outwardly showing. Tuck my lanyard away to make sure it doesn't catch on fire. I'm going to wear gauntlet-style leather gloves so that when I put my hood down and my arc goes live, I'm completely covered.